Hello friends, today we are going to build this beautiful Tailwind CSS gym site using a starter kit. So this is very beautiful, and we have inbuilt starter kits are there to build a site like this. So this is the GIF of it, and let's get started and let's create it. And for that we have to go to this link. Our creative team link is there, so we have to go there, and this link will be provided, and then we have to click on download from GitHub. When you click on download from GitHub, we get this file, Tailwind Starter Kit main.zip. Then we have to go inside it, and here we have a lot of things, and we are only going to do the landing page, actually not everything. It is a complete site, actually. If you want, it's a complete site. So we'll go to this landing page, and then also we will only do the HTML part. There is a React, Angular, everything is there, so we will do the HTML part. So HTML part is having this much. So let me come here and let me open it with my VS Code. Okay, so VS Code, let me open. So it is open now. Okay, so it has got the assets and landing and all these things. So landing is the main thing in which we are going to work. Asset, I think asset we're not even going to use it. Okay, so let me open the landing.html. okay, and then right click, open with live server, and it is opening. Yeah, and see, if you see it, it is almost complete. This site is almost complete. It's such a nice site. It's such a nice site, but we will convert it to a gym site. So it is like a professional startup site. Okay, so we are not going to do that. We are going to convert it to a gym site. So a lot of things needed to be done here. Okay, so let's get started. Title, let's give it the gym site. So this is the way you can change any starter kit. Okay, gym site, and next gym site. So there is a lot of things here. So then there is a nav bar is there. Okay, so nav bar, yeah, this nav bar is there. So we'll go here in this nav bar, and the font is actually very small, so let's make it large. So in Tailwind we just give a LG. So I have done LG, and see, now the LG is large. Okay, now I don't want the href to go to some other place. I want it to go to my site, this site on which you are seeing this. So I have some things, so let me do that. Okay, so it is there. Okay, and then not the Tailwind Starter Kit, it is the gym site anyways, but it is going to my YouTube. It's okay, the gym site. See, the gym site, if I click it here, it will go to my YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to it. Okay, so it is there, the gym site. And now we don't want this docs and download button. Why we will require that in a gym site? So for that we have to remove it. So a lot of things are there which we not required here. Unordered list for docs. Docs, yeah, docs is this one. So this UL we have to remove. So removing is also a task here. UL we will remove. Let me save it. Let me see. Yeah, it is gone. Now after that, tweet and all these things we don't want to remove. Tweet star, yeah, the download we want to remove. So again, this li is there, so I'll come here, remove it and save it, and the download is also removed. So another thing, see, a gym person doesn't have a GitHub account, so what to do? So this Facebook is okay, Twitter is okay, but this GitHub is not okay. So we will remove this GitHub, and instead of that, maybe he will have a LinkedIn thing. So we'll do the LinkedIn. Sometime you have to find it. Tweet, star, share. Okay, this star is there. You're seeing this star. Star is for this GitHub, because in GitHub you give a star. Okay, so for GitHub is there. Instead of for, we'll use KD LinkedIn. So anyways, they're using this font also. Profile is there. Let me save the profile. Yeah, see, the LinkedIn is there. Okay, so as I was telling, they were using font awesome. Now before moving forward, what we want to do, this site actually it's a bit old type of site, and where are we? Yeah, so yeah, so this Tailwind, they are using something different Tailwind, but I don't want that one. I want the latest one. I want the latest Tailwind. So I got that from this site because it was breaking a lot. This site was getting broke a lot because of this old Tailwind. So what I am going to do, I am going to use the latest one from the site, and so this is done. Okay, so now we will see this image is there. I want the image to be increased, so where is the image? We'll come to the image. Pablo, this all Pablo and all these things you can change later on to your own LinkedIn and all. Okay, so yeah, so see, this min height is there. So this is the next section which have this image and all. So min height is 75 vertical height, and it is 95 vh, and style background image. Okay, so this image I want a gym image. Okay, so that I got from Unsplash, and instead of just means downloading and giving it, I have just taken the link from the Unsplash. So let me do that, and save it. And we have also made the min height as 95 vertical height. Okay, so see, now it is looking a lot like a gym site. Okay, instead of that site. Okay, so the next thing which I am going to do is to change the text, because it is not a gym text, your story which starts with us and all these things. Okay, so instead of this, I will write shaping your. Okay, I will give a span also here. So I like to have a text, have this text in some different type of things. A span, shaping your muscles. Okay, and I would use again some Tailwind classes. So class equal to text yellow, and yellow, which yellow? 500. Okay, shaping your muscles. Let me save it. Shaping your muscles. So I like this kind of thing, means to think of some other color and this of some other color. This is a very cool way to do the things in site. Okay, so the next thing which we are going to do is, okay, changing this text. This text I will also take from here. I also like some real text instead of some lorem if something. Okay, so gym site is always open 24/7. Okay, see, now it is looking so good. This dark, this image I just found it from Unsplash. Go to Unsplash and you will find really cool images. Try to give a darker image here. or you can take from this GitHub also, but try to give a darker image like this. Okay, so the next section is there. So this one, actually I don't want this section altogether, so I want to remove this section altogether. I want a bit of less sections. Okay, so let me remove this section altogether. Okay, so where is that section? Yeah, this one is there. Awarded agency. Yeah, this one, this section I don't want. Awarded agency and all. Where is it ending? It is ending in a lot of awarded agency, verified. But why it is not coming free? Okay, I don't want this thing. No, I want this whole thing to be removed. Okay, so it's good to remove this whole thing. So I have removed that, and the one thing is that, see, if I come back, so this polygon thing is there, so we don't want a polygon, we show this tilted line. So let us change that. So when I remove this polygon is coming from the previous class, and first thing first, this polygon class fill current text gray 300. I don't want this also, so let me remove this. Okay, so polygon is actually here, this div, this is the polygon which is been shown. Okay, so where is it? Yeah, so let me remove it. So see, now this line is straight. Okay, this was because of the polygon. So one more thing I want here. So this section is our this whole section. Now I want another thing here. The color I want different, BG black, and text is white. So see, BG black and text is white. It's looking a bit different. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, now there is this. I want to change this photo also. This photo, get shit done photo. Okay, so this should represent a gym site again. So let us do that, and for that again I will take one of the image, save it. See, now it is looking so good. Okay, so next we have to remove the text and all those things here, and first thing, this rocket and all I don't need. So this pink rocket, we don't need this pink rocket, so pink rocket I will remove, save it. Pink rocket is done. A growing company, instead of a growing company I will write something else, not a growing company. Instead of a growing company I will write great body, great bodybuilding I will write. Okay, and text grade 600 I will remove this, great bodybuilding, and this has become a also white kind of text. Okay, so now this extension and all these things I will remove, and I will add this thing, the gym site. Okay, so save it and see, it is coming quite nice. Okay, now it's the time to change this icons also. See this pink icons and all, so we want to change these icons. Okay, so let us come down here and okay, one more thing I forgot. See, this building is there, I always write it in some different color. So span is there, building is there, class equal to text yellow 500 is there, save it, and see, building is coming in a different thing. So now it's time to change these icons. These icons are not good. We don't want them like this, means they are not even that. This pink icon are not even gym icons. Okay, so let us do that, and for that this span is there, so let us do that far. Okay, let us do from here. Text access is not good, font semi bold is there, inline block py, let's change some py, and py, let me remove all this thing, py also padding and all. So you can see Tailwind documentation for this, or see my previous project, it is in much more detail. And mr is margin. Okay, and there are different type of it, text yellow 500, text yellow 500. Okay, text yellow 500 far dumb dumbbell. So these are all font awesome fa 2x, because I wanted it a bit bigger. Okay, and let me change this text also. For text gray I don't want it, I want this text excel and the best equipments. Okay, so let me save it. See, now it is looking so good, and this yellow color I just love it. I love this yellow color. Okay, so after this let me copy this thing again, because this is a different type of span. So let me copy this span here, and here instead of far dumbbell, far hard hat. So all these things I have found from font awesome. Okay, and text is again excel Leti form flooring, quality form flooring is there. Save it. See, this is like this. Okay, again this span we have to change, so like this, and this one is users Excel world class trainers. Save it and see, it is coming so good. So it is looking very nice. Okay, so now our second this is complete and it is looking good. In the next section, what is the next section? Okay, next section is got all these people, and also we need to change them because they're not even looking like gym trainers, they're looking like some fashion models or something. So and so let's do it. Meet here are our heroes. So instead of that, I will write meet our trainers. Okay. Okay. Meet our trainers is good. Okay, now these images now will be all be changed. So instead of this assist, I am again going to take it from the Unsplash. Okay, so like this. And shadow rounded full, I don't want rounded full, I want just the rounded one. And max width I want a bit more, so it is 180px. And Ryan Thompson is a good name. Okay, so instead of web developer, they will be specialist. So nowadays in gyms, what happens, there's some specialist, marathon specialist. So this is the age of a specialist. Save it, go back, see, this type of thing I want. Okay, so this all I have found from Unsplash, and let me do the same thing in all of them. The second one is this. Yeah, instead of rounded, it will be like this, it will be 180px. And this bicep specialist, but we have to change the gender. See, okay, so next again I will come down, again I will take one more trainer. Rounded 180, h hit trainer, save it. See, okay. Now the next thing is this. Yeah, next trainer is your (180p)x and yoga trainer. Okay, so it is okay, and we don't want separate this social media for them. It's okay to remove them, so let us remove this social media from all of them. Where is the social media coming? Yeah, let's remove this also. All of them I will remove. So see, now it is looking much cleaner. And okay, so now we'll show the contact us section. Okay, so where are we? Yeah, here we are. Okay, bg gray, we don't want it bg gray, we wanted bg background is black and text is white. Save it. Okay, so it is like this. Okay, so again we are here. We have to remove this svg again for a polygon thing. So first remove this svg and then remove this. Okay, so see, it is showing us the polygon is gone, the line is straighter now. Okay, so now instead of build something, let us do contact us. Okay, let's do this, contact us. Okay, now me save this. So contact us, yeah, contact us is there, and contact us. After this contact us, this whole thing we are removing. Actually, grow your market and all those things we are removing. Okay, so I've selected this, then make it small, remove it, save it. So see, this got removed. Okay, this got removed. This also I will remove. Text gray, so that it is a bit more whiter. And now Yeah, again the same thing I will do, which I always do. Span class equal to text yellow 500. Save it. Yeah, it is looking good again. Now see, these two sections are looking really bad, means they are not they should be of the same color. So here I will make it black. So see, whole is black now. Okay, so now want to work with us, no, it should be talk with us. Okay, and this all these things are like this. Save it. Okay, talk with us and all. Okay, so like this it is still. Then this is all. But on seeing this progression of the site, I decided to make the site on a dark theme. Means it should be black and a gray, dark gray alternating thing. I see one thing is that I still see some polygon is there, so let me remove. I have come to the first section and let me remove it again, and here I am removing it. So it got removed. Then the next section I will not make it black, I will make it so next section means this section, grid bodybuilding part I am telling. Okay, this I will make gray, dark gray 900. See now it is looking good. Gray dark 100. This is black, this is gray. So what does that mean? Now that means the next section will be black. So let's go to the next section. Okay, world class trainer. Where is the world class? Okay, world class trainer is okay. So this is the next section after the world class trainer. It will be BG black and text is white. And again, one thing I forgot actually here, which is span and class equal to text yellow 500. So let me save it. See now it is looking like this. Okay, so see now both of them are same. So now the contact us section should be gray, as I've told. It should be alternating. Okay, so the contact us section should be gray again. So let me move to that, and again it's very down to okay, she's there, Jana Karadi. And then this section, okay, this section is BJ gray 900. Save it. And see again the same problem have come. Again the other thing is there. So where is, okay, so this one is there and it will be gray 900. Save it. Now it is all gray. So now the thing is that we have to work on the footer. Okay, so footer we will come and where is the footer? Yeah, here is the footer. So again it will be black and white, because just now we have gray, so it will be black and text will be white. Save it. Now the next as svg will again go, so I will remove this svg and I have to remove this also, and see, now it is looking quite nice. So find us on this platform and all. Twitter is there, square, what is this, Facebook is there, so Dribble is okay, but again I don't want a GitHub, so let me change this LinkedIn, and I don't want this section also. After this means a lot of this I don't want, so let me remove the whole thing. This whole thing I will remove, vlog and all those things. There are a lot of things here. Actually, this all lot of things are there. I don't want all those things. If you want, you can keep them, but I want to keep it simple. So let me remove this and save it. Okay, so this is looking like this, and so a bit of this also is remaining, because I don't want to give their site name, and you should always do that. And it is 2021 the gym site by, let me give my the web dev dot tech. Actually http is also, www is not required in my site. The web dev, save it. Okay, again the same thing. We have this thing, everything is yellow, so why to leave this, because it will not look nice, the thing will be not there. Okay, so where is it? Let's keep in touch. Again we first thing is that same world is okay, but I want it uppercase also, uppercase. Let's keep in touch. Here I will again use the span, touch will go here, and span class is text yellow 500, and this is text lg is okay. We'll change something. This I don't want. Margin top I want to, save it. Okay, so this is done, and our site is done. Okay, what is this? Triple, actually this dribble thing nobody uses nowadays, so let us remove this. I don't know why they have used this. Okay, where is one extra? Okay, yeah, so actually this completes our site. Hope you liked it. Means this is a very cool site which I really enjoyed making, although we didn't did much code, but there were a lot of setup which needed to be done in this thing. And this, if you are opening a gym, this is a really perfect one page site for the gym, and which looks really good, professional and world class. So if you like this, please give a like to this video and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.